Abby and Natalia. You might know her from Workout Time and Sleepover Vlog. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out on our channel. FF Life 2317. We have some products we're going to show you. Let's get started. It's a haul for Wet n Wild. First we have this Wet n Wild Mega Last bright pink lipstick, number 924. Okay, now we have this really ruby red lipstick. It's very pretty. And it is mega lip color.
Thought I smelled something fishy.
It's number 369.
Some traps.
And yeah, and it's really pretty.
Cyphers was all washed up. Yeah, because clearly uses drinks.
You should make like the ocean.
Okay, go.
Goodbye.
Oh, sorry. This is
He wants his place to himself.
Glassy Gloss Wet n Wild Lip Gel.
Yeah, but you
So yeah,
They does not.
Okay.
Sorry.
This
The big
one
mama said epic hangout. We want
is
about 2 hours. So, well, I'm so very sorry.
this one is
Probably happy.
Spoiled Brat. It's
Excuse me.
silver.
Excuse me.
Gotta get this open.
What?
Okay, it's
I'll show
Spoiled
you.
Brat, and it's this silver brow bone, this sparkly black for the crease, and this pink for the eyelid. And yeah, and it's called Spoiled Brat,
Stand back.
and it has actually 2 brushes in it. It's, you can see it right there. Okay, you probably can't, but the next thing we have is Wet n Wild Fergie. It has these colors in it. It has this really light blue, a purple, a dark blue, and a teal. Okay. The next one. The last one is Wet n Wild. This huge palette, Wet n Wild Fluorescent, and it has like all these are together and all these are together. So it's these white sparkly for brow bone, this silver for the eyelid, this sparkly like navy-ish color is for the crease, and then this black is definer, and then the next one all the same except it's these different colors.